In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a poster in Magnific AI Desktop. We'll walk through the exact workflow to turn your idea into polished poster concepts using Magnific's image generator, keeping things simple and repeatable. First, go to Magnific. On the left sidebar, open Image Generator to start a new creation. This is your main workspace for generating visuals. Next, choose a model. The model determines style, detail, and how the AI interprets your idea. If you want photorealistic scenes, lean toward realism-focused options. For bold graphic shapes or illustrated looks, pick a model tuned for illustration. Matching the model to your goal saves time and yields stronger first passes. Move to references. References help anchor the result to your brand or vision, whether that's a logo lockup, a color mood board, or a rough sketch. Click Add, then select the reference you want to include. You'll see it appear in the panel. If you have multiple key visuals, click Add again to bring those in as well. Even one strong reference can dramatically improve consistency. Now, type your prompt. Be clear and specific about subject, mood, color palette, lighting, and composition. For posters, it helps to mention placement ideas like ample negative space at the top for headline or central focal point with clean margins. Keep any final copy separate so the design remains flexible. Choose how many results you want. More variations give you a wider range to compare, though they may take a bit longer to render. Then choose the layout. Pick an aspect ratio that fits your use case: portrait for wall posters, landscape for wide displays, or square for digital teasers. If you're planning to print, favor higher resolution and leave safe margins for trim. When everything looks right, click Generate. Magnific will create poster concepts based on your model, references, and prompt. Review the outputs, note what works, and you'll be ready to iterate or select the strongest option for your project.